Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Amex Blue Cash to maximize grocery rewards, full guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have your American Express Blue Cash card handy. Begin by logging into your American Express account online or via the mobile app. Navigate to the rewards section of your account dashboard. Check if your card is enrolled in the Blue Cash program. If you're not enrolled, look for the option to enroll in grocery rewards. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the enrollment process. Once enrolled, review the current grocery categories that earn enhanced rewards. Make note of any participating supermarkets or grocery chains listed. To maximize rewards, use your Blue Cash card for all grocery purchases. Plan your grocery shopping around those participating stores. Consider using contactless payment options for convenience. Keep track of your spending to ensure you do not exceed any reward limits. Check your reward balance regularly to stay motivated. If applicable, combine your grocery shopping trips to reach higher reward thresholds. Take advantage of any promotional offers that may boost your rewards further. Always pay off your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Consider setting up alerts or reminders for grocery shopping days. Review your overall spending to ensure that you're maximizing your rewards. Remember, every point counts towards your future savings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.